Hi, good afternoon. I'm Julie, and we are the host of the 5th Information Security Summit. And I've here with me Sheung.
Yes.
He is the Senior Security Consulting Manager of Gemalto's Identity and Data Protection Unit.
Yes.
Nice to have you, Eung.
Yeah,
Thanks
nice
for
to
coming.
see
I mean, this is your second time to Malaysia, you mentioned, right?
this year.
Welcome to Malaysia again.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So, can you tell us about your company? What does Gemalto do?
Actually, we are a data protection solution company.
Mm-hmm.
Our focus is on helping customer how to protect the identity and the data itself. We are not like firewall company. We are not doing antivirus. We are focusing on how to protect the data itself. The reason why we do this is we believe that this is the last defense to protect the data, because we have seen a lot of company, they have invest a lot of money in the perimeter security technology. But at the end, they still have the data exposed. So that's why there's no 100% solution can guarantee the data will not be exposed. So instead of preventing the data breach, we try to adopt the idea called secure the breach. I mean, secure the data in case the breach happens. So we try to build a perimeter on the data itself. That's why we have encryption technologies to encrypt the data from application to the file folder, database, virtual machine, storage, and all the way to the network. We have technology to protect the data. But we do believe that no matter how good the encryption technology, customer need a centralized key management solution to consolidate all the key, such that it will be easier for the administrator to know how many keys they have. And also, when they need to define some policy, they can easily do that. Or they can back up, restore the key, they can do it centrally. And the last but not the least is apply a strong access control on the data. Because if customer have encryption technology, they have centralized key management. If they just allow people to get access to the data by password, which is not secure enough, because hacker can easily steal the password. That's why we have the strong access control technology come in place with the encryption technology together to provide really a complete data protection solution for our customer.
And all these things happening in cloud?
We do support cloud and also physical data center. So our technology can be helping customer easily transmit or transparently moving from the physical data center to the cloud visualization environment. So from their perspective, whatever they invest on our technology, they don't have to worry about when they move to the cloud, when they move to the visualization environment, they cannot be used. They can even use our single data protection solution platform to support multiple cloud service providers. So we are really transparent in terms of what kind of cloud service provider the customer going to use.
But when you mentioned, that means you have your existing customer who are not using cloud, but if they want to move to cloud, they can. They have no problem with it.
There's no problem with it.
And if you're already in cloud, you just follow whatever, all the packages.
If they want later on that today using cloud, maybe they still want to keep some system in their own data center, they can still make use of the same set of solution to help them to protect all the data. So our idea is providing a centralized key management encryption platform for our customer to protect the data, no matter in the cloud or in their own data center.
And is this your key differentiation between you and your competitors?
Yeah, so far I never seen any competitor, they have such broad level of support in terms of the encryption technology as well as the authentication technologies.
So what is so great about yours? What you have that they don't have?
For example, as I mentioned, we have the centralized key management platform. They can support even on the network encryption, on the virtual machine encryption, file folder encryption, database encryption, application encryption. We do have some competitor, they can do some of them, but so far I never seen a competitor, they can do such broad level of support in terms of encryption technology. And on the other hand, the encryption platform we have not only support our own technologies, we have a very big list of the technology partner. Their solution can also make use of our centralized key management solution to manage the key. I think this one will really give our customers the differentiation of using our technology compared with our competitor technologies.
Are there any, can you share with us a list of your clients that you have worked with?
Sorry, I cannot tell you openly on all the customers we have because there are a lot of big banks, government, Fortune 500 customer. So, but I can tell you, for example, Amazon today is making use of our technology to offer to their customer to protect the data in the Amazon cloud environment. This is just one of the examples. And we do have a video on demand company called Netflix, which is a very big company in US.
Yes.
They are also, I think they are also starting to build a business in APAC. They are also our customer using our HSM technologies in the AWS environment.
I see. So you have very big clients.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. So what is the best thing that your clients have commented about your services or your products?
I think what I always hear from our customer is our technology is really heterogeneous. That means we don't really address one problem. Our solution can help them to address whatever they need to solve today, but also in the future, which is something very important to a customer when they acquire a solution, because they don't really want whatever they acquire today can only fix one issue, because requirements keep changing. Technology keep changing.
Yes.
They need to make sure whatever they acquire today will be able to help them to scale, to extend, to support different type of environment.
Exactly, because as new challenge opportunities comes up, it comes also with a lot of security concerns as well.
Yes.
Yeah, among the top security concerns that Gemalto can address, top concern, security concern right now at this age.
For example, PCI DSS regulation. A lot of companies today, they are handling credit card number. They need to fulfill PCI DSS regulation. The technology we have helping them to encrypt the data. At the same time, we have very centralized key management solution to make sure they can easily roll over the key. They have an audit log. They can control the key usage very granularly.
It means that, I get the idea that you don't have to find another provider, a solution provider to provide something else for us. It's like everything, you provide everything.
This is always our strategy. Telling customer, think about there's many products in the market. They are silo solutions. They can encrypt data in application, database, file folder, network. But at the end of the day, if you acquire such kind of solution, you will come up with another challenge. How do you manage a key? Because key is become everywhere, it will create a lot of risk. You will lose the key. If you lose the key, the data will not be able to recover. That means your system have to be stopped, suspend. Nobody can work, right? That is a big impact to organizations. That's why centralized key management platform is really important when customers think about encrypting data.
That's a very good solution. So how do the people can contact you if they want to know more about your company? How can they contact you?
Definitely, they can come to our website. We have all the contact point, email address, phone number. They can reach out to us.
So your website would be www.gemalto.com?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay then. Thank you so much, Sheung, for your time.
Thank you for your time.
I hope you enjoy your rest of the days in Malaysia. Have a good business as well.
Yeah, thank you very much. Bye-bye.